What's going on, beautiful people, and welcome. My name is Oscar Ramos, and by the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how much money you and I need to become the first Finance millionaire. This is a protocol coming from Cronos Chain from crypto.com, becoming really popular nowadays. A lot of people, of course, want that DeFi gains, and I can tell you that I've seen the community grow, the TVL grow, and ultimately the price grow, making everybody, can I buy or where can I buy Finance? Well, I'll help you with all of those concerns. I've been in DeFi space for a while, everybody, seeing all kinds of different projects. But MMF, not only AMM, which is the automated market maker, decentralized exchange, but also with some NFT cool collections that are worth thousands of CRO, and of course, stablecoin capabilities and more. So definitely people asking themselves, where and how can I buy it? And can I really become a millionaire later on? Well, I'm here to answer that quest. First, I'm going to run all the numbers for you, all the information and the statistics so you're aware. And after that, I'm going to give you my analysis and deepest thoughts on this cryptocurrency. Deal? Sit down, relax, enjoy the show. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells, guys. Let's go ahead and get started with Finance. What we're seeing right now on the screen, guys, is pretty much the info. These numbers are coming from CoinGecko. If you find different numbers, please let me know in the comments down below. One token, everybody. Let's assume that when this started, which is December 12, 2021, what I found on the DEX tools, right, the DEX screener, guys, this is insane. This time when we found December 12, 2021 at 30 cents, right? The price started, it was down, pumped all the way, and then crashed. That's what usually happens in DeFi. So 30 cents, assuming that we're putting, of course, $1,000 in that initial investment. When you're looking at a DeFi price, there's a lot of questions. Is this going to be the legit rug pull, or is this the next 100x? Well, assuming you put $1,000, not much, but a little bit higher, on the lowest price of MMF, which that's going to be January 7th at 22 cents. Started at 30 cents, according to the DEX screener, 22 cents at January the 7th. That would have given you at $1,000, 4,500 MMF coins. Not bad, MMF tokens. That is pretty cool. Now, the highest price of Finance has been March the 30th, 2022. And guess what day is today? Which is going to be a 555% increase at $1.44. And of course, from that 1,000 investment, 555% higher, that's going to be $6,500. So that's not a pretty bad return on investment, right? But guess what? Today, we're making this video, everybody. And of course, all the values will change depending on when you watch this video. $1.40, assuming that's the price right now. So from $1,000 to $6,300, not really that big change in price because the price of Finance is doing really well right now. So the idea here, guys, is buying it early and assuming that the price, of course, is going to increase based on all the foundations, the white paper, and knowing who leads the project. It's going to be a great idea knowing that it's a good project, right? Guess and put this number on the back of your mouth, on the back of your head. It's going to be 34,700. That's my key number. Now, what are the statistics and what is all the details for this cryptocurrency? We have, as of now, 250 million in market cap. All-time low will be 23 cents. All-time high will be $1.44. Circulating supply will be 183 million. Total supply will be 491 million. Max supply was looking at 500 million. The current TVL right now, according to their website, is going to be $1.38 billion. And at this time, according to Cronos, 22,000 plus, that's the number of addresses they have registered on that page. All right, everybody. In my opinion, very good tokenomics, right? So the question is, how much money do you need, everybody, to become a millionaire with this cryptocurrency? Well, assuming that a lot of people are starting in this crypto knowing that the price right now is more than $1, probably they're like wondering so many different projects out there. Let's assume they start with 1,000 coins, 1,000 coins. I think that will be very healthy, having 1,000 coins for Finance. And the price right now is 140, right? So 140 for 1,000, that will be a price of $1,400. So if you put $1,400 right now, today, that will give you 1,000 MMF coins. Not bad. That's pretty cool. But assuming, and asking ourselves, Oscars, what are the projects out there, the AMMs, the DEXs that can compare in the long term with MM.Finance? Well, here's the answer for you guys. We have at the bottom, of course, Sushi Swap, Curve DAO, Pancake Swap, and the number one will be Uniswap. So there's so many different opportunities that you guys can compare. And with the tokenomics of today, that's what we have. So if you want to answer that question, right? How much money do you need to become a millionaire? Let's go ahead and assume that we're going to be reaching Uniswap's total market cap, of course, by the end in the future, in a couple of years from now, because of course, MMF right now is going really strong. And that is going to put us at $28.82. So from 1.40, 28.82. And if you don't buy any more and you don't sell your 1000 MMF, that will put you with almost 2000% gain. Not bad. Of course, almost 19x and almost 20x. And that will be $28,000 from your $1,400 that you had. Not bad at all. But that is not going to make us a millionaire. What's going to make us a millionaire is for you to buy 34,700 of these MMF coins. So let's go ahead and do so right now. And at this time, everybody, bam, $1 million is exactly what you are going to have according to today's tokenomics for this cryptocurrency. So if you buy 3,400, 700 right now, you hold it until it's the market cap of Uniswap, which it will be 5.3 billion from the 250 million we have. There you have it, millionaire status. The question has been answered, guys. Now that you know, here are my deep analysis thoughts on MMF. First and foremost, guys, this is a cryptocurrency that has so much potential. I believe in it. I own some of it. I wish I had more. And definitely I'm going to be buying, especially even if it's under $1. We've seen right now the price is growing nonstop for a while. So I'm expecting some correction soon. But after that, we have to be going up. This thing is exploding with the TVL. First and foremost, everybody, what we're seeing right now is with the tokenomics as of this time, you're seeing 500 million and 491 million in total supply because they've been burning some of those coins and 182 million. So there's going to be a change in that price prediction later on as they add more tokens to the supply. That's one thing, right? And I'm saying 34,700. So why don't we go ahead and show you this, right? Where would you be if you buy 34,700? Well, you will be at the bottom of the second page here on Cronos.org. Here at the bottom, they have 32,000 of these MMF coins, right? So you will be right about here if you buy them right now. It will be a nice investment of about, $30,000 plus, but later on, you will be really very happy when this cryptocurrency explodes to the moon, knowing that as of this time you're seeing here on the screen, the price has just surpassed the all-time high. As I'm recording this video and you're watching it, the price that I started was 140, the all-time high was 144, and the price right now is 144 plus. So the price is continuously to grow. It is insane and it's pretty cool. By looking at everything right now with the price, contractions, corrections, retracements are expected, but the price will continue to grow. Just looking by that tokenomics is going to be fantastic. Let me bring you here, guys, right? Assuming that we have the Uniswap market cap here on the right, understand, for example, that the circulating supply in a worst type of scenario, I'm going to increase all that circulating supply right now, which is going to make it more difficult to reach that number, that price that we were looking at, $28. If I have all the fully diluted market cap, the fully diluted circulating supply, we're going to be having MM.Finance had Uniswap market cap of 5.3, so the same market cap, but now it will be $10 instead of 28, right? So giving you the two sides of the spectrum, if we do the analysis with today's tokenomics, with today's circulating supply of around 180, it will be $28. But if we add the rest of the supply, assuming no more burning, that will be still $10. So from $1 to $10, assuming all the rest of the circulating supply from the total supply, which is not bad, right? Still 10x, that is not bad at all. But of course, remember, they will continue burning, and that's going to be fantastic according to their overview. That is another one, everybody. And of course, making some crazy assumptions, guys. Bam! If MM.Finance had Bitcoin's market cap, this is not going to happen. This is an unrealistic scenario, but I just wanted to show it to you of 895 billion. One MMF will be worth almost $5,000 at 3,400x. This is not going to happen, but just to give you an idea, if you hear something like 1,000 for one MMF, they're lying to you. They don't know what they're talking about, right? Understand this, guys. MMF has the largest ecosystem on Cronos with its DEX, yield optimizer, NFT, algo stablecoin, and DTF. So this is a cryptocurrency protocol, right, that is barely growing, just started less than a year ago, and there's a lot going on there. And you just saw the price. It's really moving very fast. Now, another thing that makes me bullish about MMF is that they practically don't have any exchange that they're selling it. The only way for you to get MMF is by swapping, and that makes it really popular, right? Because then if the price starts sideways trading, it's going to be very difficult for sellers to just liquidate. They will have to swap it back again, incurring some fees, which is a little bit more difficult than just selling it with a button, right? So that is pretty cool. As they add more listings, more liquidity will come in, and of course the price will continue rising. Knowing that if you go to DeFi Llama, you will see VVS Finance, MM.Finance, MMO, and Tectonic. And I'm pretty positive, right? Knowing that they have already 1.38, DeFi Llama is a slugger. They don't go as fast to catch up with all the TVL. So according to this, MM.Finance will be easily at #1 place, I mean, by the end of the month, probably, or by the end of April, according to the speed they're moving, which is very, very quickly. All the information, you will find it on MM.Finance and the vaults, right? If you're going to be waiting for a long time on MM.Finance, guys, what will be the great scenario for us? What will be the right scenario for us with all those 34,000 tokens that you're buying? Well, I think it will be great if you go to the vaults.mm.finance, the vaults. This is going to be the perfect scenario for your money, right? This is exactly what a lot of investors come and deposit, stake, and do yield farming with some liquidity pools. This is exactly how to do it. And I know people that do it, and I prefer the MMF Grow 2800, which is amazing. And I know a lot of people are doing, of course, the M-Share MMF, Savannah. I mean, the more, the better. And of course, growing in the ecosystem and supporting all these different projects could be incredible. The best way for you to make your best buck with MM.Finance will be right here in the vaults. And of course, not forgetting, take a look at this. This is insane. This is on the page on MM.Finance. Take a look. They have games, they have launch pads, they have DeFi, Savannah, they have vaults, they have earns, which is kind of like the baby steps if you're trying to start with MMF. They have the trade, of course, to add liquidity and actually use the liquidity pools. And they have matte market NFTs, the three houses. They have so many different things that this protocol is working on. It's insane. Look at the liquidity exploding, the volume exploding, and of course the top tokens that we're seeing right now on the screen, and the top pools that you're seeing right now on the screen, and the transactions even. In all, everybody, it is exciting news, right? Once again, here to the spreadsheet. In all, what will be the answer for you guys? How much to become a millionaire with MM.Finance? You will need 34,700 at this time with the tokenomics to do it in the long term. But as I show you, if we add all this rest of the circulating supply, instead of 19x, it will be at 10x to $10. Still, it's a great positive news for MM.Finance. But remember, they're going to start burning too. So in all, really amazing and pretty cool outcome by the end of the time with this cryptocurrency. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Now you know. Let me know in the comments down below how many MM.Finance you're planning to buy. I want to hear that. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. I'll see you next time, everybody. Peace.